Hey, welcome back to DJ. Hi, my name is DJ. Welcome back to the channel, the Grand Channel. If you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you. If this is your first time, awesome. And please subscribe, please like if you like it. All right, so what we're doing today is we're going to check our engine coolant levels. So as you've seen, everything else is nice and full. That is the brake fluid right there. This is the power steering fluid. And so stuff like that checks out. That's the windshield wiper fluid right there. So I was wondering, how do I check my engine coolant? Because if you look, it's not under there. That's the air suspension right there. I'm like, man, where do you find that at? I know this is the air filter, the engine air filter. So I was like, man, where's this stuff at? So I realized that you just have to take this cover off right here. And it's real easy to do. So you literally take a screwdriver, just like this, and you unscrew. And once you unscrew it, you literally, so you unscrew that. And once you unscrew it, it's gonna come up. You could use pliers or you could use a special tool, but you can honestly use your hand and you're fine. So I just put them right there. And then literally you just lift this whole box up. It's clean, so it's good to go. Just put that right there. And here's your engine oil. I mean your engine coolant. Never knew that, right? And the way you know is the fluid level indicator is right there. You want to do this while the engine is cool. That's the best time, and really the only time that they recommend that you refill it is when the engine is cool and not hot at all. So you know, the fluid is back in the reservoir and stuff of that nature. The coolant I'm using today is made by Peak for Asian vehicles, Lexus 1990 and up, 50/50 pre-diluted, so I don't need to add water, and it's pink or red, and it's antifreeze with coolant. So I'm gonna pour a little bit and see where the level is at, and then at that time, so your level has to be in between this notch, and that notch right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up and see what happens. And what made me want to do it today is when I was driving, my temperature gauge, so let's just say this is the, the warm-up spot, it'd be slightly above that, so it'd be like right here almost. And I was like, yeah, I probably need to put some coolant in there, which is why it's probably, instead of being like right here, it's like right there, you know what I mean? So since it's slightly raised, give me 1 second. I'm going to try to do this without a funnel. Let's see how this goes. All right. Nah, you most definitely need a funnel, y'all. Look at that. I'm making a mess. So I'm gonna go in here and go find me a funnel or something. Hang on. All right, so I couldn't find a funnel, so I most definitely advise you to use it, but this is what I'm going to do for the meantime. And actually, let me show you, how much I put in there so far by hand. There you go. See, so now I got to get it up to that full line, which if you can see, it says it right there. So I just got to keep pouring this a little bit more and we'll be good. All right, so yeah, you just want to be real gentle, real careful. Well, not like that basically, but I had it way better. There it is. When you pour it in there, I'm using not a funnel, but I had it way better than this. Oops. There you go. We getting there. Ooh, watch out for that. All right, so you see how it was empty. Now I got it to that fill line right there. So that's about where you want it at and everything else, and you get to go. All right, I'm gonna pour some water down there just to clean the, just flush that out. And then once you do that, you literally just take the box. You just want to make sure, inspect, there's nothing in there. Take your box. You just want to align it, make sure it's really nice and cozy. You take these guys, you want to align them. I'm going to take these guys, pinch just like that. Take this guy, and you want to just align and pinch so you could get it nice and flushly mounted. Same thing with this. Just make sure, and then you screw it in by hand or with a screwdriver. Do a screwdriver. So I take my handy dandy screwdriver, and you screw it in. You good to go, guys. With a funnel would have been way more better and way more professional, but I just wanted to do it by hand to see how good my skills are. But clearly I needed a funnel, and I just rinsed some of it off with water, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys. But that's how you change, or that's how you top off your coolant in your 01 to 06 LS 430. Bye now. Peace.